Papa Ike. Papa Ike.
Huh?
Phone.
Onye na-akpọkwa? Hello? Hello? Eh? This is Don Jazzy's manager. Yes. You like my song? Oh, Don Jazzy wants to meet me. Who am I? Thank you very much. God bless you. I will start making the arrangement immediately. Don Jazzy again! That was Don Jazzy's manager. They like my music. Huh? So they want to sign me on.
Don Jazzy loves your song.
Yes!
Don
Jazzy is the man when it comes to music in Nigeria. Anything Don Jazzy confirms, Ejebego. Apanium. Don Jazzy again. Don Jazzy again. Don Jazzy again.
Sweetheart, I'm still pleading, please.
Not again, please. If it's about Ike, please, not again. I'm serious. Stop it. We're talking about murder case here. And you're still keeping him here.
He's innocent.
I don't care if he's innocent or not. I don't care. You just want to have an issue with me, and I don't really like shouting at you. It seems you want to see the other side of me. Please, I beg you.
Sweetheart, please, just
hold on. Just if he's staying here, and I know he's here, tell him to leave. As I'm going out now, no. 1 more day, I don't want.
Please, sweetheart,
I don't want to have issue with the government. Don't you get it? Stop holding me.
I heard everything. Don't worry, I can take care of myself.
Mr. Man, please. If you know what is good for you, I beg you. I don't want to have issue with my wife. You better go and sort your issue, please. I'm out of here.
Sweetheart, please.
Don't drag me back.
I'll take care of myself. I'll find my way.
Where will you be going to?
I'll just take care of myself.
Please keep in touch, okay?
I'll call you as is necessary.
Wayo Allah. Kai.
Baba, minene.
Wallahi. That's so stupid people that have handled me, wallahi.
Baba, I told you not to go, Nash. I told you not to go.
Wallahi, you know, I hate her for your injustice. You know, your fafa. Me, I don't like see that shit people.
Sorry. Where the pain?
Yeah, oh my body, they're playing bottle over my head, wallahi.
Wait, I'm coming.
Wayo Allah. Na shiga uku. Na makale, wayo Allah, na makale. Well, look at what happened to him now because I went to find it. Just look at what happened.
Sorry.
Why you Allah?
Sorry.
No, come on, Aisha, it's okay. Allah is okay, Aisha. Allah is okay.
Baba, still make a person for you.
No. Well, Aisha, I have to pack and leave this time. We have to go back to Kano. Like injustice for my life.
Okay, sir. Baba, stay. No. Sorry.
Ay, Allah.
Sorry.
Aisha, it's okay. You see the way people are handling me? They beat me, they squeeze me. Wait, you like that? I wait, Allah. Oh, wait, Allah. Huh? Somebody, Allah. So this is how life is. We are trying to play safe. We are trying to play injustice. This is how people take you as a weird man. Because I went there to solicit. And these people, they say they want to solicit me. And they solicit me. So the reason I went there to solicit me. Well, now we need to leave this town. We are going back to Kano. Life over there is very sweet. We don't have this garden because we come to look what I watch out for this place. Look at the way they have the life.
Watch full video on our YouTube channel and subscribe.